Unity. Yeah. One body, one mind. One mind, one spirit. One spirit, one mind. Gotta make the world feel it. One body, one mind. One mind, one spirit. One spirit, one mind. Gotta make the world feel it. One body, one mind. One mind, one spirit. One spirit, one mind. Gotta make the world feel it. Feel it. Gotta make the world feel it. Feel it. Yeah. Gotta make the world feel it.
One body, one mind.
Hey, what's going on, bro? What's your name? Jeremy?
Yeah.
All right, I'm David. You asked a real good question. And this is the reason why we follow a lot of Christianity, a lot of religion, and a lot of things that the people say. Get Isaiah 29:13. This is the reason why, bro. Because our people, we love a good song and dance and hum. We like that, you know what I'm saying? We're visual people. We gravitate to anything that makes us feel good.
Right.
Muslims make us, if Muslim makes you feel good, we're gonna gravitate to that.
Right.
If Christianity makes you feel good, we're gonna gravitate to that.
Right.
If gang banging make you feel good, we're gonna gravitate to that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Except the only thing that we don't gravitate to is this Bible.
That's right.
And now, today, we're here to let you know that you must gravitate to this Bible, because this is the only thing that's going to change our condition as the black man, the Hispanic man, the Native American man.
Right.
It's the only thing, brother.
Right,
but we
right.
gravitate to everything else except the Bible. And I'm going to show you why.
Isaiah chapter 29 and verse 13.
Bring it out!
Wherefore the Lord said, for as much as this people draw near me with their mouth.
So, like you said, your grandmama, your mom, my mom, my dad, our family members, we always saying God is good all the time. Won't he do it? We love God. We always professing with our lips and with our mouth that we love God and that we're children of God, right?
Right.
Always. Right? Read on.
And with their lips do honor me.
And we honor him. If I go to your grandmama right now, or your mother right now, and say, you love God? They say, yeah, baby, I love God. What you mean I don't love? I've been going to Christian church. I've been going to Pentecostal church all my life since I was a youngin'.
Right.
So we quick to say, yeah, we love God, right? Read.
Right. And with their lips do honor me, but have removed their heart far from me.
But guess what? In doing all that lip service, we removed our minds far from God.
Right.
Because with all that lip service, they don't do not one commandment.
Right.
They're not keeping the Sabbath.
Right.
They don't got their fringes on.
Right.
We got brothers and sisters out here committing fornication, hating each other.
Right.
So yeah, it's easy to say we love God, but are you gonna walk the walk? Are you gonna actually do what God says for you to do?
Teach.
That's the problem with our Blacks, Hispanic, and Native American community today.
Right.
We say we love God, but we won't do one thing God tells you to do.
Right.
Not one thing. We gonna cook on the Sabbath. We gonna say YOLO, live your life. You only live once. Nah, not with God. You keep God's commandments, you're gonna live forever, bro.
That's right.
Forever, and that's what we want. I'm tired of getting shot down in the street.
Right.
I'm tired of getting killed. But how do we change that, bro? How do we change that, Jeremy? You gotta follow the commandments.
That's right.
You must follow the commandments. But it's not only saying, it's all in deed. Get that in James. It's also in action. Because it's easy right now. You feeling good to say, yeah, we gotta follow commandments. But when you leave here, what are you gonna actually do? Hey, what's going on, brother? What's your name? Jay, how you doing? I'm David. How you doing, sister? That's your daughter? Your wife? Okay, how you doing, homegirl? What's your name? Jade? Jade, Jay, and Jeremy. Okay, I like that. How y'all doing, man? So what we doing out here, Jay, is we letting our people know, the so-called Blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, who they are according. Of course, go ahead. Who they are according to the Bible.
Right.
And we out here to show you that we must change our mind frame. We must change our mentality. We must change the conditions of the Black man, Hispanic man, and Native American today, and the women.
Right.
We gotta change our conditions. But like I was telling Jeremy, it's not only in word, but it's in action.
Right.
The Black man, Hispanic man, we talk a lot.
Right.
We got a lot of bark. But when it's time to really put that first foot forward to do the right thing, we ain't nowhere to be found.
Right.
And I'm gonna give you an example. It's just like you lay with a woman, right? Say, yeah, baby, I'm gonna take care of you. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do whatever I need to do to make sure we build up this household. The baby come out, gone.
You know, another reason for that is it's been a lot of brainwashing, and we look for something that we don't want. I ain't gonna say, but in general, people don't want to put trust in something they can't see. So,
Correct.
That's why they worship false prophet gods.
Right. Get Colossians 20. Hold up, Jay. Get Colossians 20. And you're right. But we've been seeing Christmas for so long. Halloween for so long.
Right.
We've been seeing all these things for so long. And those things have corrupted us.
Right.
I don't celebrate that.
You may not celebrate it, but majority of our people celebrate it.
Right.
Say, you celebrate it? Thanksgiving? All praise.
I celebrate Thanksgiving for the food.
For the food. You see, that's exactly what I want to say. We always got an excuse. Say, oh, no, I do it for this. I do it for that. But God says don't do those things.
Right.
He said we're not supposed to do those things because guess what? That's not our heritage.
Right.
Black men, Hispanic, and Native Americans, that's not for us.
Right.
Our oppressors, our enemies understand that as long as we
His gas card's not working.
we gonna stay at the bottom.
Right. Is there any way?
That's why we at the bottom today. We spend all our money in Thanksgiving. We spend all our money in Christmas.
Bring it
we
on!
spend all our money in Halloween. We spend all our money on the Sabbath. That's why we get paid Friday, so we go spend it on Saturday.
Right.
We go stunt. And that's why we in the conditions today, because we go by what the masses say.
Right.
But read this. Let the Bible talk.
Colossians chapter 2 and verse 8.
Bring it out.
Beware, lest any man spoil you.
So it's telling you beware. Just like if you're at your house and you got a beware sign, right? That means you better be cautious.
Right.
It says beware, be cautious that any man spoil you. And who's that man? Our enemies and the wicked of your own people. It saying be careful that any man may spoil you. And let's see how they gonna spoil you.
Through philosophy and vain deceit.
He says through philosophies. What philosophies? That Christ was white?
Right.
That the black man is a nigga?
Right.
That the Hispanic man is a spick?
Right.
That we can't keep Thanksgiving?
Right.
That we can't keep Christmas? Those are philosophies that's been given to us, that's been spoiling us.
Right.
And vain deceits and lies that have no profit in it.
Right.
Those are things that have destroyed the black man, Hispanic man, and women today.
Right.
Celebrate Thanksgiving anyway. It was a massacre.
Right. But like the brother Jay said, if you look into history, that was the massacre of our Native American brothers and sisters. That was a brutal massacre. That was a Holocaust.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But guess what?
These people taught them how to grow food
Right.
and live on the land, which
Right.
you're really supposed to live on the land.
Right.
Not really.
But let me show you something. That's why the scripture said through philosophies and vain deceits. They changed it and said, nah, you can celebrate. It's only for the food. It's to gather together with your auntie and your cousin that you haven't seen all year. Use that day, Thanksgiving, and celebrate the massacre of your own people.
Right.
That's disrespectful, Jay. I kill your whole family, right? And then I say, you know what, Jay, don't worry about that. We're going to cook some good food. We're going to cook some yams. We're going to cook some chitlins. We're going to cook some mac and cheese, and we're going to celebrate it. Don't worry about what happened to your family, bro. It's for you to get together and just eat.
Right.
You see the destroyed state of mind that we are in?
Right.
But why are we in that state of mind? Get in Deuteronomy 28, the strong delusion. You know why we're in that state of mind? Because we don't keep God's commandments.
Right.
If we would keep God's commandments, right, and start understanding to come back to our true heritage and start understanding who we are according to the Bible, we wouldn't let the other nations deceive us that easy.
Right.
It ain't that easy, bro. It's like, nah, what you saying and what the Bible saying, my history book, ain't adding up.
Right.
It ain't adding up. And it has never added up. It's just that we haven't taken the time to really understand who we are. Because we're so strung out in the philosophies and the vain deceits of our oppressors, of our enemies, of the people that have brought us here, enslaved us, raped, robbed, and murdered us, Jay.
Right.
Jeremy, we're too stuck on that mentality. It's time for us to get out of that.
Right.
It's time for us to get out and come back to your true heritage. Come back to who you truly are. You are God on the earth.
That's right.
But they don't want to tell you that. They just tell you a nigga, you a black man. You can't go further than this. Your history begins in 1619 in slavery time. That's what they tell us. Because if we really dig and we understand that, guess what? This Bible is our history book. Because that's what it is.
Right.
It's the Black, Hispanic, and Native American so-called history book. It's the Israelite history book.
That's right.
But we just look at it as another white man's book. No, that's not true. That's another vain deceit that has been given to us. Right? So, and us not keeping God's commandment, this is what happened to us.
Right.
2 Thessalonians chapter 2 and verse 10.
Bring it on.
With all deceivableness of unrighteousness in them that perish, because they receive not the love of the truth, that they might be saved. And for this cause, God shall send them strong delusion.
And that's what's happened to us. Because with all deceivableness, right? And not us giving our hearts and our minds wholly to the Most High God, right? He's giving us the strong delusions. How you doing, sis? How you doing? What's your name, sis?
Sister Anita.
Sister Anita. How you doing, Sister Anita? I'm David. We out here teaching Jay, Jeremy, and James that we are the true people of the book. And you are also, Sister Anita, right? You are the people of the book. You seem a little sketchy, but guess what? After you leave here today, when they ask you who are you, you're going to be like, I'm an Israelite. From whatever tribe. Come look at this sign and see what tribe you're from.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Let's see what tribe you're from. Because that's one of the strong delusions that has been given to our people. We don't know who we are.
Right.
We don't know who we are because they don't tell us who we are. We are set up in a system that was set up to bring us down and to keep us down.
Right.
When you go to school, when you fill out an application for a job, anything, right? They only give you these options: white, black, Hispanic, or other.
Straight out.
Why? Why not Judah, Levi, Benjamin, Naphtali, Ephraim?
Bring it out.
Why don't they put those options in it?
Right.
Because they don't want you to even correlate that this Bible is for you.
Right.
They don't want you to even think a little bit that this Bible's for you. That's why they crucified Nick Cannon, Ice Cube,
Bring it out.
Deshaun Jackson.
We used to scream black power while Heron was pushed. But at the end of the day, nothing's in vain. IUIC has been given a vision. The tents of Judah has risen. Many has attempted the mission. Minor murmuring, omitting, and missing the mark. Just reading that he had the flame of fire in his eyes gave us the spark. We on Paul's mission. We out on the road. Purple and gold. From Mexico, Cuba, Haiti, Ghana, Sierra Leone. 144,000 boots banging, concrete crackling. These are our men repented at heart. The scriptures is proof. IUIC, we deliver the truth.